Hi, everybody. Ginger Lumen here. I am with Eric Hoops today, who is the principal at Chanute Elementary School, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Love it. So, Eric is going to be joining us at the Moving the Needle conference on October 8th and 9th in Wichita, Kansas. And you're going to be talking to us about mindset in the elementary classroom, right?
I am. We're going to be talking about shifting the mindset in our building. It's awesome to come back to Moving the Needle conference because this is where everything started for Chanute Elementary School last year. So it's exciting to come back and kind of pay back what got us started along the road that we're on. But as far as shifting the mindset, we're really looking at moving from our fear-based traditional discipline model to more of the love-based discipline model. We don't want kids to do things because we said they should and we're the adults. We want them to do it based on the relationship that we have formed with them.
That is powerful. And what a great opportunity for you to come back and show the growth from zero to now.
Yes.
And that's
Yes.
wonderful. Hopefully give some other folks some hope as they start to learn at this conference this time as well. So what is it that when people come to your session and then they walk away, what is it that they are going to be taking in their bags home with them?
I think the thing that we want them to leave with is the idea of getting started. Last year at this time, we were in the same place that some schools are. We had heard a lot about the trauma-informed movement. We had done some of our own research, but we hadn't started going anywhere. And after attending this conference, it really got the ball rolling for us as far as putting resources into place. Meeting up with Jim Sporleader at the conference, Rebecca Lewis at the conference, James Moffat at the conference, putting those people into place for us that provided us some direction and some resources. And got us start along the road to make classrooms and make learning the best for all of our students.
I love it. Folks, you're going to get to talk to Eric and hear what their journey has been at the Moving the Needle Conference, Wichita, Kansas, October 8th and 9th. If you would like more information or ready to get registered, go to movingtheneedle.isdac.org. Eric, thanks for being here with us today.
You are welcome. Looking forward to the opportunity.